Okay, Sandstorm Part 2. This is just a few minutes after that storm rolled in, and you can see visibility is now down to 0. This is not sunset, this is the sun is still up. And here's my chew, combined housing unit, kind of a trailer. Is the comic book door. When I first rolled up, I saw this door, and when I found out it was my door, I was kind of surprised. There's a lot of detail to this. I'll do a whole separate video on this door, but here's we are. And this is inside. There he is.
You got any Band-Aids?
Band-Aids.
Slice my finger open, call on the TV.
Oh.
Pretty good. Do that or super glue?
Super.
Seriously though.